that little Geo.
Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Sorry.
Little tiny Geo thing. I know, but
Stop. You're
why? It's a green light.
Shut up. Stop.
No, I'm going to stop at a green light.
Now you did a long time ago. And I guess I remember you let it do a couple of rounds. Glad I went. What the hell is this blue car doing? Hello.
Busy intersection. This should be in the turning lane, not the straight lane.
Go. Come on.
We can at least move forward. Thank you. Turning at least inch forward so then you can go instead of sitting there the whole time. Bronco.
Hello. What's
See?
wrong with people
Car doll.
today?
I don't know if it's for sale or free
Yeah, it
or
is.
what.
It has its sign, but it's on ground.
Another day in the Rockland neighborhood. Another day in the Rockland neighborhood. Another day in the Rockland neighborhood with the houses on the mountain top. All the way up there on the mountain top house.
recording? I got my toes in the water. Well, that truck almost fucking tipped. And just smile. Keep driving and just smile. Now you can't say I don't take pictures of you.
Come on. Right there's the sign that says 55. And we're going 25, 30. There's this trash truck that looks like it's gonna fall apart. That's in front. desktop, but he said to see what to do and stuff. Something will be ready, and this says the laptop in the email. So it's probably going to be a laptop instead. Might have a laptop case and everything. Normally when you get one, you get a case and everything. Somebody pulling out of that driveway in that place again without stopping. This place right here on the passenger side,
I would see a person.
Union Hardware. There's been people pulling out of that second driveway without stopping at all.
Yeah, it's the same vehicle.
No, it was a white pickup truck last time because we almost had a head-on collision with it because we were passing somebody and they didn't, in the passing zone here, they didn't stop at all. They just kept going. Nice if we could get out from behind this trash truck.
Oh, there's two.
No, it's a trash truck and a dump truck. And a dump truck.
So they should bring some Augusta still. But
Then they take both lanes so nobody can pass them or anything. This person in front of us was going to pass them too, going on the side, on the right lane, but now the dump truck's over the yellow line.
they're bigger
There's
than
a
that
trash
right there.
truck. Y'all need to go went halfway up his truck with that trash truck over the yellow line because the person was walking. Good boy, Papa. Yeah, roll that up a little bit. Yeah, it wanted us to turn here and go out through Appleton and stuff
Yeah.
to get Appleton
No. Friday and Saturday.
There's a Jeep with its four-ways on, and the one behind us. Second car back.
Looks like it's gonna fucking downpour. Oh, the wind. Protect your skin. Hey, protect your skin.
Yep. I protected all right with some coffee.
I love you. Look at the wind. You can.
Construction.
I was saying so. Oh, it's a BMW.
Yeah, it's an X5.
Where's it from?
I don't know.
Something. And then
First and freedom.
slash, and then it says VA. I can oh, why I'm getting so lightheaded. Like dizziness.
Construction. The bully box.
Hey, no bullying. Oh, rest in peace, Brian Wilson. Oh, the Beach Boys.
Yep.
Really good. Hey, you can't park there.
Bubba.
I'm not watching. Let me do that one for you. Hey, but
What then?
how many times do I have to tell you?
Street sweepers. Taking a break.
Neener, neener. How you do the neener, neener?
Ring finger and pinky finger together.
I can't.
Like a V.
Neener, neener. A what?
Like a V in the middle of your hand.
Oh, I can't.
You're supposed to be able to go like this. Neener.
Ah.
Or neener. What one of the other planet beings from Star Trek used to do. The early Star Treks. Come on. Now we're behind two trash trucks. And then a dump truck.
Come on, move my.
Come on, it's not 35.
Come on.
I was going 40 and I was catching up to him because it's 50 through here. 55 right there.
Pull over.
This BMW is trying to pass him, but
Good luck, sweetie.
there's a whole bunch of traffic right in front of him. goes at like 3:30, 4 o'clock, or 3 o'clock, something like that.
So we're gonna do it tomorrow or something?
We got enough time to get there today, but we just gotta stop and get gas.
Oh my God!
Really?
Stop!
What the hell?
This one.
Wow. Nothing like cause an accident. Doing that right in front of.
This one's not causing an accident too.
Yeah, no passing zone right before a corner.
Oh my dear Lord! And there's a car coming again. Oh my God!
Wow.
We need to move this like this with that. I know they're behind the front cloud of smoke.
Yeah.
That truck just almost stepped. Turn that.
Yeah. It's what he's been doing. That's why the other one's been right behind him.
You need to slow it down.
He's going over the white line, going over the yellow line. He's
With
all
the
over the
truck?
place with that truck. I know the wind doesn't help, but
No, but
another dump truck. And another dump truck.
if that tips gets that, we're screwed.
Keeps going 35 and a 55 instead. That looks like mom and dad.
No.
Road work makes 5 miles. I know my pops. Oh, get gas there, then we gotta stop at the Hannaford on the way back. Get a Monster for tomorrow.
What?
They said then we gotta stop at Hannaford on the way back so I can get a Monster for tomorrow. Really?
It looks like this. Amy. Knock. Oh. I know, Bobby. He's like, what are we doing, Daddy?
I know, Pop. We gotta go get the laptop, computer, whatever. And the Amish people.
No, we're going first, Bubs. Sorry. I know, baby. You want to go? I know, but I can understand.
Oh, he just stood the cone back up. He ran over the tip of the cone, the top, and it stood it right back up.
I didn't
That was
see that.
awesome. It's all on camera too.
You have to show me.
So I knew where it was. See, it was knocked over like that, but in the road, and he ran over the top of it, the very top, and it stood it right back up. So it wasn't like that. Because it was knocked over into the road instead. I think Mom just passed us. Yeah, she did. It's a good thing we didn't stop at the house.
Look at nice road. Oh, it's because my mother walking. Why are they walking?
Probably going towards the other ones with the horse and buggy.
Yeah, but that one's full.
She must have got out at 2 or 1:30, I mean. I know, Papa.
Tell me what's the meat of this.
Construction staging area.
Yes. Tell me what's your beach day.
Yeah. That sounded horrible.
That wasn't regular bugs on it either.
Ooh, look at that car over there. Hitting the Red Bull truck.